There are definitely times in your life, dear Taurus, where you won't have the bigger picture. You won't know all of the steps. I mean, in fact, I don't know that you ever really know all the steps. The point I'm making is there are times in your life where you won't have the bigger picture. And that's what's currently occurring for you at the moment. And during the times when you don't have the bigger picture, what you can do is focus on day to day, moment to moment. Focus on, okay, what is it that's in front of me that I can take care of right now? And the bigger picture will start to become clearer to you, maybe, for example, in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But trying to bang all these doors down, force and push so that you can get super clear about this bigger picture is not useful. And I feel like what happens is you beat yourself up for not having the clarity around the bigger picture. And part of gaining clarity or having clarity of that bigger picture is being able to take care of what's in front of you. So it's almost like life is saying to you, hey, sit down for a second. There are things in front of you right now that need to be taken care of. And you're the only person that can take care of these little details in front of you. Once this is clear, of course, the bigger picture lands for you.